what helped the connector to passing that hole. So my friend, for the removing the Porsche Panamera 2017 until now side mirror, first you need to get off the door card. The first piece need to be coming off is this part at the side. Usually all the Porsche has this one. Use this one to not damage the trim like this. It has few tab. Okay. This one about the ½ centimeter, it's underneath this black piano. So in your eyes, in my eyes, it should be first this one coming off and then that one getting free. No, that is really weird. First we have to release here and then release the upper part, slide this one to the left, and then you will get the access for that black piano. So careful about this one. All the Porsche, this one coming off easily, excepting the Panamera. Okay. Now it's coming off here. Now you will able to remove this black piano. So again, those are, it's going in. So, and then now for the black piano. Help it, and then at the center don't touch anything. Coming again, go until the end. After everything got released, you have to, this one has two hooks, so when you put it back, first you have to match this one and then tuck, 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 push it in. So these white cover gonna drop, another one here, so put it back again. Third one, inside the door latch has another cover. Actually, when I remove the driver side, also here too. Here should be bolts, both sides is missing. I don't know, this car went to the somewhere to fix something, I don't know. So another bolt should be here. So 1, 2, 3. And then one gonna be underneath the armrest, and then one inside this light. Let me bring the camera more close. Okay, this one is super easy, even you can open it with your nail. Now I cannot. And then disconnected. So another bolt gonna be inside, and then another one is this cover. So it from this both side, it has a really thin tab. So with something like flat driver, you have to push it one side, and then after remove one side, remove the other side, and then get rid of this one.
It has the two tabs. You have to push those and then remove it. Now we're gonna open the bolt. So it totally should have the 5 bolts. 2 gonna be one and second one here. And then the size for this one is torque 25. Torque B 25.
And then fourth one supposed to be here, but it's empty. And the fifth one is here. So most of the modern Porsche door trim, if you hitting like this, and then it's gonna slide up, so it has the hook. But this one, like the traditional way, it has the key, and then you have to pull it to yourself. So find the gap. Okay. So at the end you have to slide it up. So slide this one up, and then really careful about that door catch. All the Porsche, it's same for those things. Disconnect the two. And last one. Okay. This, just imagine this one like this on the door trim. So you have to first push that two like this until this one like the mouth open, and then slide it out. This one hooking inside, and then also hooking the two other things on the door trim. So first, like this, and take it out. Careful really about this one, it's very, very easy to break. So now for the mirror, this connector is for the mirror. You have to do like this. And then another one, it's here. That blue one. Okay, where is the tab for it? It should be behind it. Yes, it's here, right here. And then remove this cover cap, and you will see the big bolt. All the Porsche has the one, and then this one is the torque bead size 50. I have to push this tab. Okay, this one got free, and then it has a very strong rubber at the end. I believe they did something on this car. That rubber stuck here with the silicone, so which is not right. So those disconnected, and then this rubber got removed, and then you should push it in like this. So before, I highly recommended use the shoelace, tied it to the connector, and then when you want to put the mirror back after your job finish, you don't need to do the fishing. It's super easy. Just again do the same process from the top, and then come to the here. So you don't need to move the speaker, put your hand there, so many headache. And now for this one. Before, open it, do something like that. So sometimes getting too tight, and then possible to get grind. Okay. So now you need to grab the mirror, and don't worry about this bolt. It's not going to drop because, no, I'm sorry, even drop, it has the some cover around this hole, so it's not gonna drop inside the door. You see, it's gonna stuck there. This long bolt. And then now you can take the mirror out, but help the connector to passing that hole. Okay. Yes, this is the way. Actually, the panamera, look at the mirror, is very huge. It's headache to wrap. So this is the way you can remove the side mirror. Masking tape, tape it to the shoelace, and then bring it inside the door, stick it to the body like this. So now easily you can wrap it, and then after the job finish, you can put it back. Okay guys, now you know how to remove the side mirror of Porsche Panamera over 2017 and also door trim. I hope you like it. Actually today I didn't make the intro right, jump it in. If you like in this way, please comment to help me for better video in future. So please subscribe the channel, turn on the notification to not miss my video. And then if you are interested for the online wrap course, I have really nice package for you guys. Please contact me through the Instagram or the Facebook. I will put my ID underneath it, and also you can find it in description. So that's what it is. I'm gonna come back very soon. Take care. Bye bye.